hold. And if we hold under that, we might start to see our move back down. Now, triple Qs is another one that we have just been pushing our way up. And every single time that we continue to look like we're going to gas out, we bounce off the 5 SMA and move our way back up, sometimes closing under it, but then pushing right back up. Now, something I want you to note is going to be this divergence that's forming. So I hit sqqq a couple of times today. If you guys are part of my premium group, if you want to get access to all my trades, the link is in the description. If you're part of the premium group today, you know that we were entering sqqq and we got stopped out a couple of times because I was waiting for this potential ascending wedge to break. So as we're making these higher highs each and every single move up, you can see our RSI is not making higher highs. It's actually making lower highs, which is a sign not of an instant reversal, but that this upward momentum that we're seeing is beginning to weak. What you want to see is, as the stock's going up and making higher highs, you want to see the RSI continue up with it. So we got a sell signal from our bot going into close and on QQQ. So I did end up entering some sqqq, and I'm looking to see if we hold under 322.50 tomorrow. I think we can start to see the market trend its way back down to 315.60, potentially fill the gap down to 312. Now we're over this range here that we were initially talking about of 319, 320, but that old resistance is probably going to act as a new support.